Son, please, man.
Got him.
Look at your man. Your man's in the blizzard right now.
Your man's is in the blizzard right now. We out here. This nigga's in the blizzard.
In the blizzard, man. It is fucking, what is today, man? February the fucking 19th, man. 2012. Look at this shit. This motherfucker stopping at the stoplight and
with a bike. What the fuck are you doing?
Nigga. Talk to that nigga, man.
Excuse me. Excuse me. You not cold?
I'm pretty fucking cold.
Why you stopping, man? Just go home, man. Just go home, man.
It's over, man.
You on a bike, man. You don't gotta stop, man. This nigga's crazy. Well, that shit going on World Star, man.
This shit going on World Star.
What the fuck? That shit gonna get views, nigga.
Yo, son.
Yeah, I'm gonna stop that.